Want to convert your blurry 720 pixel image to a high quality 4K image? This is the right video to watch. First step you're gonna do is go to Google and search up image upscaler.com. Then after you go there, choose the first website. After you will come up to here. Then after you come to this website, click choose images and choose your required image, which for me is this. And now there is two options that you can use. One is 200%, which enlarges your image to 200%. Or if you want it to be big, you can choose 400%. For this, I'm going to choose 400%. Click it and click upload and start. It might take some while to upload and upscale your image because it wants to maintain the 4K quality. Now as you can see, your image is downloaded. Now click download so you can download it to your phone. Now as you can see, the image quality is better and also it is enlarged. Thank you for watching.